Start by preparing rice. Take buttermilk and add it to the rice. Also add some salt according to your taste. Now mix them well till you get the right consistency. Now for tempering we will need the spices, chana dal, urad dal and mustard seeds, 1 red chili pepper, some cashews and curry patta and pomegranate for topping. Now heat oil in the pan, add your spices and keep stirring them so that they don't burn. Let the seeds crackle. Now add cashew, now add the curry patta and keep stirring. Make sure you are at a safe distance because of this problem. Now we are going to add red chili, keep stirring and we have our tempering ready. Now I will add this tempering to our prepared rice mixture and there you go. Our curd rice is prepared. Now add pomegranate seeds. Look at the color. There you go. We have our curd rice prepared.